A healthy planned detox plan. Detoxification, or detox in short, is a process of purging your body of toxic materials and substances ingested from highly processed food, water and air pollution, smoking, etc. The term detox used to refer mostly to alcoholics and drug dependents, but in general it also refers to diets, use of herbs, and many other methods purportedly for removing toxic matter in our body and improve health. Having the urge to detoxify your system means coming up with a detox plan that works for you. Whether you constantly have that bloated feeling, are fatigued, or any other clear signs that your body needs some cleansing, a detox plan should correspond to your overall health needs and lifestyle. Detoxification has many types, but the one thing they are similar at is assessment. You could undergo a general physical exam or answer the detox screening quiz to determine a detox plan that would not be harmful for you. Many holistic professionals warn that people experiencing adrenal fatigue should not proceed with a detox plan until that problem has been addressed. Detox plan number 2: acclimatize yourself with the basics of detox diets. You might get stunned with the side effects in the middle of your detox program. To motivate yourself to continue with the program, it's best to learn the pros and cons of detox, study its side effects, health benefits, and guidelines. Include in your detox plan the kind of foods you should eat and the foods to avoid. This serves as a guide so you don't stray away into consuming the junk foods again. Whenever you are in a detox program, eat only fresh fruits and vegetables and replace your cereals with brown rice, rice flakes, rice crackers and rice pasta, or try other grains like quinoa, amaranth, buckwheat, and millet. Eat beans like split yellow, green peas or lentils as they are friendly to your digestive system. Unsalted nuts, but not peanut butter and peanuts, and seeds are also a must in your detox plan. Not only do they contain phytochemicals, but they can help satisfy your hunger. And cook your vegetables, although they're better when raw, in virgin oil only. Avoid sugar, dairy products, wheat, gluten, caffeine, additives, and preservatives, and alcohol. Detox plan number 4 is to customize your diet in terms of the beneficial and aggravating ones. Take the Ayurvedic quiz to know what type you belong to and the list of foods suitable for your type. To successfully eliminate the toxins in your system, strive to move your bowel and urine regularly as part of your detox plan. Both of these are the body's primary methods of purging waste materials. And include in your detox plan to drink plenty of fluids, whether water or fresh fruit/vegetable juices, to complement your program. Enjoy.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.